Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Alban, a total beginner learning FPV on VelociDrone. Today I will recalibrate my controller because every time when I'm flying, I've realized that I'm drifting a lot, mainly I think on the left side. So recalibrating my controller might help to control the quad. So the first thing that I will do is to go online and make some search a little bit the subject and see what appears, what are the suggestions, what people are suggesting, and with that information I will try to implement it on my controller and on the VelociDrone, and we will see what will happen.
So for example, if we were setting up the throttle, we would click this button here and it would say, in my case it's already set, so it's asking me to replace it, so I'll click replace. It asks me to put the stick in the middle, which I've done, and then when the countdown gets to 0 it asks you to press a button or move an axis to assign it to the throttle, and you move your axis and it doesn't detect it.
So I just watched the training lesson on the recalibration and I will try to implement it now. So the screen, I have the throttle, let me see the pitch, roll, and the yaw. I will do the same thing that I just watched on the training lesson of VelociDrone. I will first start here with the throttle. I will practically do the same thing that I saw in the video. I will not invent something. I won't try to do something else. Now we see. So let's go back.
What's going on there? Why is it not seeing the axis that you're moving? And that's your axis and it doesn't detect. And then when the countdown gets to, I'll click replace. It asks me to put the stick in the middle.
Okay, I saw it. I saw what the course is saying. I will try to do the same thing. I think I will do it twice. I will first do it now, and then I will recheck again what I did to see if it is functional. So yes, after the throttle, let's move to the roll and repeat the same exercise. Okay, we roll, we move the stick, and yeah, it disappear on the screen. We move to the pitch. We do the same with the pitch. We replace. We first let the center, then the axis we assign the. Okay, we go to the yaw. So the goal is to click first the replace button, and then when you click the replace button, you leave the yaw on the center. After the countdown, we move the stick on the axis of the yaw and wait. So the assign has been done. We have just assigned. We check again what the course is saying,
which I've done, and then when the countdown gets to 0 it asks you to press a button or move an axis to assign it to the throttle, and you move your axis and it doesn't detect it. So what's going on there? Why is it not seeing the axis that you're...
So I think in our case the stick was detected, but we will check again. Let's check again, make sure that it's detecting. I think when it's detecting according to the arc, to the position it has, the screen disappear directly. If we check again the roll, move the roll after this. So now we move it and it disappear. So it has been probably assigned. I think that's how it has to behave. We go to the after the roll, I think the roll has been, but let's check again. We first center it and then remove it. That's good. Let's do the pitch, and then after this we will go back again to the training lesson to hear what the lesson is saying, what they were saying, and then we might recheck again our stick before starting to fly. Okay, we wait, we count down. Now we move the stick and it disappear again. Okay, I think it has been well done. Let's go back to the training lesson.
You're moving, and that's what I'm going to deal with in this particular video. How we make sure that when we move an axis, it is actually detected inside of the simulator.
Okay, now we will fly. We will try to fly and see how the sticks are reacting. Hopefully everything will go well. Okay, we will start. We push the throttle. It's not really stable as I was expecting, but that's not too bad. We try to fly like this and see if there is some differences. It's not too bad. Remember, the goal normally is to go cross the pylons. That's not too easy. Up to now, I'm not succeeding really. I'm not doing great, but it's to fly straight and also go direct to the pylons. Every time when I crash, the thing that I will do is that I will have to go back on the original position. So I will press the R key and I will go back and press. So I will do multiple, say like this. I'm not sure that it will just work. It will just function. And also I'm a beginner, so means that I don't really know how to use those sticks. It's not really easy for me. I think I was checking and they were saying online, it takes a lot of practice to be able to fly consistently and to fly correctly. I mean, to fly between the pylons, to have knowing, for example, know how to use those sticks, how to control the quad correctly. Up to now, I'm not like right now. See, I just like hit the pylons. That's not great, but it will take me practice. I will be trying like this every day, every time, and hopefully at some point I will know exactly how to fly. I just hope my fingers will get used to those small sticks, that I'll be able to fly as I want. I can fly at some certain level altitude. That's not too hard. Or my main problem, my main goal is to be able to control the quad at a lower distance from the floor or from the land. Be able to fly between the pylons, to control, to turn right, left.
That's it for today. Thank you for watching. If you have comments, drop them in. If you have tips for beginners, drop them in the comment section below. I will really appreciate it.